Yo, what up? It's Gab. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're doing my buddy Max. We're doing fender flares on his Mazda 3. Go follow him on Instagram. So yeah, right now we finished the prepping on this side. We're prepping this side. I'm gonna start grinding the fender here on this side, and then we're gonna test fit, make sure everything's cool. We're gonna cut slits. We're gonna make sure everything's sealed properly and everything, and then we're going to install the flares. We're probably not gonna paint them today because we don't have the paint and stuff, but at least they're gonna be on the car and it's gonna look sick. So let's go.
So we just finished cutting the fenders. We did a little mock-up, or actually no, we actually drilled it. We put it on. We forgot, well no, we took off the tape. Now we're putting some super expensive Canadian tire.
Fucking
edge trim.
Some fender liner kind of thing.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Yeah, well, I guess it's on the box. It says edge trim. So.
Oh, whatever. Anyways, yeah, this is gonna give it like a nice, neat look on the car.
Yeah. So it really kind of, the little seals there, so it'll look nice.
That's gonna be nice. So yeah, let's put it on. Let's see what it looks like. Yo, what up guys? So yeah, it's really dark in here. I need some fucking good lighting, but we're finally done. We're finally done the fender flares on the back. We're not going to do the front today because it's getting dark out. We're going to keep that for another vlog or something. But yeah, if you guys haven't seen this, we got it running the other day. This is my 1JZ twin turbo RX-7. So we got quite a lot of stuff done since a couple days ago. So we put the 3 pedals in because there was missing the clutch pedal because this was automatic before. The transmission is an R154, and we're gonna get a diff out, a Ford Explorer, which is the 8.8 diff. So yeah, hopefully we get this thing running soon. Well, driving soon because it's running now. But yeah, so other than that guys, I think that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.